So this is just the recap for live stream 218, I believe. As you can see, we've had a break-even day. If you look across on the right, we can see that our P&L is broken down. Picked up 15 on ES, 10 on NQ, and lost 25 on gold. P&L doesn't truly reflect the type of day we've had. Over on gold, we had a pretty bad day. We did make the adjustments to the strategy, and we did been saying since we made the adjustments that days where the market could potentially trend would be our biggest obstacle towards success. So as you can see, it's taken a series of short trades, quite a few short trades, and they were not working out in my favor as the market pushed higher. If we look at the daily chart on gold, you can see gold seems to be breaking here on the daily chart. When we got to the market was down. Was it down? Yeah, it was a bit down a little bit. But we are seeing the buying back up. Now we're going to be clearing this area. If you look on the right hand side of the screen, bottom right, you can see on the daily chart here, we're clearing this area. So definitely a move towards possibly the highs. Gold was like I said, gold was the most difficult instrument. Took some of the most significant losses on it, of course, especially as prices broke higher away from the VWAP here. Over on ES, we were positive, but we gave back some profits over on ES. So we're positive through there. Had a couple of positive trades. Had a loss through here as well. The issue I'm also having is I'm adding two positions. And rather than in the past where I'd add two positions as they went in my favor, and that brought down the size of the average win, I'm trying to add two positions as it goes against me. So then that should bring up the average size of the wins. But the problem is on trades that work, I don't get in full size because they just seem to just work straight away. And trades that don't work, as you could imagine, I'm always adding to those trades. So it's been a little bit frustrating, but as we can see on this one, we managed to get to add in enough. And our most recent trade here actually got to the target over in NQ. Pretty big churn on NQ. Again, losing trades, happen to get the correct number of contracts, whereas the winning trades aren't so lucky. Now this is something that happened that was quite frustrating today. It's happened to me twice, so it stuck out in my mind. So on this short trade, the stop was at 71.50. Price came up to 71.50, hit my stop, and it sold off down to target. That was frustrating. And something similar happened over here. The stop was at 84, price got to 85, and then it sold off. And it definitely took a lot of mental strength to not get frustrated and just try and figure out to get a trade on. So definitely sticking to the rules and being disciplined despite the frustrations that come along with it. So this one, yeah, we went in because it went against us, added. And the most recent trade, we didn't actually set up on NQ. NQ would have been a long, but it didn't quite set up. So we've had to abandon that idea. And plus we decided to do a recap because we've got other things we have to manage away from trading. So this is distribution of the P&L, cumulative net. So we were up at 30. We drew down to 5. At the highs, we were up at 39.9, almost 40. Drew down a significant amount, actually went negative 13. As you can see, quite a lot of volatility in the P&L. Down to only 2, drew down again to 10. And then finally on the last trade there on ES that we did pick up to get towards that break even. Over on the summary page, we can see here profit factor is 1 because we break even. Oh my. Profit factor is 1. Let's see. Accuracy, I'm not sure why it's that high. It felt like I had below 50% in terms of accuracy. Average win to average loss. They're quite similar, but like I said, the issues in terms of adding to trades and them not working out and not getting opportunities on the winning trades certainly impacted it, but it's a lot closer than it's been in the past. 0.68, it's not 1, so it's, you could say it's not great. It's only about 7, not even 75%. Our largest win to largest loss, again, they're closer, which we'd like to see. Ideally, we'd obviously want to be at least 1-to-1, but I think this might be a product of how the contracts are executed. Time in the market, about 7 minutes, that's about standard. So that's pretty much just a summary of what happened today. So we're still doing the, we're still using the strategy in a different way. And while yesterday we had a losing day and today we had a break-even day, I'm still going to stick with it. I think there are signs that it's definitely got something to it, especially after the fact that we've got up to 39, 30. And in the past, I seem to have been starting the day with a negative P&L and trying to get myself back out of the hole by doing the opposite, really. And we've seen that instead I've got the P&L heading in the right direction, but later on starting to head to the downside. So that may suggest that it's a time of day nuance. And what it might be is I may have to use a strategy in its current format in the day. But as we get later on, use the strategy how it was used in the past. And I think, so after by 11:30 EST, that might be the case. After 11:30 EST, use the strategy how it was designed and not with the adjustments I've made. But what I'll do is I'll continue to monitor it, see how it all works out, and make the necessary adjustments from there. But that's it for now. What I'll do is I will add the live stream at the bottom right hand side of the screen. It's going to be pretty long, it's 4.5 hours. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, it's 4.5 hours, so you may have to watch it at 2 times speed. But with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.